Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn on read receipts on Instagram. Friends, if you want that the sender of the message will know whenever you read his message on Instagram, then you need to open Instagram app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now here press on three lines. Now here scroll it little down and here you will find messages and story replies. Now here press on show read receipts. Now here if read receipts option is off, then you need to turn it on. Now friends, you have turned on read receipts on Instagram. Now whenever you read a message on Instagram, the sender will able to know. So friends, like this you can very easily turn on read receipts on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.